Get the facts before buying a terminal tractor. The experts at TerminalTractorSales.com have compiled a collection of must-see videos that contain the most critical information that every terminal tractor buyer should know before they decide to make a purchase. The videos cover all makes and models, including Kalmar Ottawa's Capacity and the fastest-growing player, the Autocar Exporter. We offer similar content in our live buyer's equipment consulting seminars that cost as much as $497 each. However, this information is now available in online video format for free. For instant access to this critical informational video, simply complete the form and hit enter. If you would like to speak to one of our experts to educate you on the nuances of all terminal tractors and what to focus on when purchasing one, call us at 888-373-0770. We can help you make an informed purchase decision for you and your company. Thank you for visiting TerminalTractorSales.com. We look forward to serving you.